All right, guys, well, this didn't take long. Bringing you guys along for the ride as I'm pulling this motorcycle apart, about halfway through the process. We've got the fairings off of the side of the bike. They're just pop in and slide in affairs. The ones that are kind of a pain, really, or the ones that will be a bit of a pain, just remember, don't try to force these slide clips. They'll slide in, you just gotta massage them a little bit. But I'm in the process of removing some things the previous owner had installed. This USB charger just kind of been hanging out around here. That's actually connected back here at the battery. We've got some heated grips. I mean, at least it looks the circa 1980 motif. Anyway, these things are huge. I don't know if you can't really see in the video here because there's nothing to compare it to, but these grips are fat. And it makes two-finger clutching kind of difficult. These are about almost 5 millimeters wider than what a normal grip would be. It's pretty substantial, but anyway, putting some conventional grips onto these GSX-S handlebars that Orange Crush was very kind to allow me to have. These are going to be a little bit lower and a little bit further down and forward than those factory ape hanger looking handlebars. Oh yeah, for you guys that may be into these motorcycles but you've never seen them with the tank off, yeah, that's your gas tank. Pretty diminutive. That thing that looks like the back half of Darth Vader's helmet, that's your 3-gallon gas tank. Oh yeah, and if you're wondering what this tape is up here, where the factory bar was versus where I've moved it to make the motorcycle a bit more ergonomically satisfying to ride. Where the bike with these bars more towards the rider, it has you sitting upright on this bike, which is really weird. Surprised they didn't put a set of lower bars on this thing, or a set of clip-ons would be a probably more appropriate choice. But we're working with this. And while we're here, give you guys a shot of the throttle linkage in action. That's wide open. Oh yeah, and the other obligatory shot of all of the parts scattered onto the back of the truck. Time to go get some Ziploc bags and get this stuff organized. That means I gotta get back to work. There's your update on the Katana. Post up your comments, let me know what you think. If you got any questions, let me know what you got. And that's a wrap.